our sales manager for 2024, King Miyagi Mendoza and Carlo Mendoza. Congratulations. Wow, a total of 820 units for 2024. Congratulations. Ms. Kin and Sir Carlo, you have been an inspiration to Sure Homes. I'm pretty sure marami kayo gustong pasalamatan at sabihin. Go ahead po.
Ako muna mauna para mas exciting yung last part. So, Sure Kin, thank you so much. Grabe. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam nung nahakot natin yung number 1 ulit sa lahat ng level. Sales, from sales agent hanggang sa sales manager, Sure Kin ang number 1. So, congratulations sa atin. Ayun lang, take it.
Okay. Sure Homes is truly a life changer. When Carlo and I are still an online seller, we deliver some souvenir items here in this venue. It was December 26, 2014. Yan. So, 21 years old pa lang kami niyan. At ng mga panahon yan, amazed na ako sa venue na to. At para akong Disney princess na nangangarap na sana someday, ikasal naman ako dito. O kung hindi naman, sana makapag-reception ako dito. From Bulacan to Palacio Verde pa ang tawag dito noon, loads of jars ang buhat-buhat namin ni Carlo at nakasakay lang kami sa bus. Hindi lang struggle sa bigat at commute, sumasabay pa yung sakit ng katawan namin sa biyahe. At yun ang isa sa dahilan kung bakit namin tinigil yung negosyo na yun. Dahil sa hirap ng pinagdaanan noon, walang nagsabi sa amin na trust the process and keep going. In short, that time, wala kaming business consultant na nag-push sa amin at pinaniwalaan na lang namin yung mahinang sarili namin. That's why we failed in our business. But failure opened more doors for us. Then, we saw the light. Para kaming may nakitang sinag at may nakataas na kamay na hawak-hawak ang isang cellphone calculator at sinasabi sa amin kung magkano ang kikitain namin sa real estate. At sulit daw lahat ng efforts namin with Sure Homes Realty. In short, nakausap na namin si Lord Peter. And literally, we surrender ourselves to them. Fast forward to November 22. Here we are, having our Sure Homes Elite Auto Club photo shoot. Na dati, binabiyahe lang namin tong venue na to ng nakabus at nilalakad yung napakalayong entrance. Ngayon, nakabalik na kami ng may 3 sasakyan, particularly ang dala pa namin yan ay Mustang convertible. Cash. With this experience, nanalo na kami sa dati naming buhay. At lagi namin pinagpapasalamat yan sa Sure Homes. And who would have thought again na dating pangarap lang mag-party sa venue, ngayon, nagsasalita na ako sa Brittany Palazzo ngayon. And has the freedom kung gaano ko pag gusto patagalin itong testimonial na to. May isa pang collage yan. Para kompleto na. Wala. An 8-year dream on my 8 year in real estate industry. Finally, natupad na siya. Lika. The before, after, and now the present. Siyempre, pangarap ko lang to dati. Ang layo-layo kaya ng Bulacan sa Alabang. Natupad ito kasama ng mga quality suremates ngayon. Many are called, but few are chosen. We are chosen now or tonight kasi pinili rin nating ilaban si Sure Homes, no matter what. Despite of our Rocky Road 2024, it may be a personal or business challenges, we all have struggles to tell. But the harsh truth is, our problems do not concern most people. No one cares about our efforts and sacrifices, only results. Kaya nga kahit pati mga sarili natin, sinasakripisyo natin. At yan ang laban ng isang top performers. Kaya minsan, nakakaubos na to ng energy. But with this, we learn not to be hard on ourselves. Be more passionate at mas i-enjoy natin tong journey na to. Kung dumating man sa punto na matalo man tayo sa ranking, pero siguraduhin natin hindi tayo matatalo sa hamon ng buhay. Sa aming mga pagkakadapa, kami ay nanatiling nasa itaas. Glory to Lord. Because life gets better sa mga taong masipag, responsable, mapagbigay, at mga hindi sumusuko. Doing the best is all that matters. Be an achievers, keep dreaming, kahit imposible, because dreams do come true. With that, maraming salamat at Merry Christmas!
Once again, guys, a big hand for our top one senior sales manager. May we request Sir Caloy and Ms. Skin to please just stay right here. May we call the rest of our awardees to please go back to the stage for a photo op.